viewers, welcome to the channel. The central government is yet to come up with any solution and a decision with respect to Class 12 board examination. Till date, they have been deferring announcement of the Class 12 board examination. Recently, the Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry also have written to the Education Minister for cancelling the Class 12 board examination, and they have highlighted and have cautioned that in the current scenario, it is impossible to conduct any offline examination. Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry has highlighted that it is not conducive for conducting a physical examination, and they have written a letter to the Education Minister suggesting an alternative solution should be devised to determine the academic progress. Now what they said, and I quote, that the COVID cases in this country are still very high, and as such the situation is not very conducive to conduct any form of physical examination, and holding online examination is also impractical because we lack infrastructure. What is very important in their letter that they highlighted that any further delay will lead to a distress among the students, and the Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry strongly recommend that the Class 12 board examination should be called off. They have highlighted two major reasons as to why the decision requires to be taken as soon as possible. The Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce president has highlighted that foreign universities where the admissions are currently going on are unlikely to relax the timeline for admissions because of a delayed examination schedule of CBSE and ICSE Class 12, and thereby Indian students who are planning to go and join foreign university, it will be difficult for them because of the time frame. Secondly, it was said that it is imperative that the Class 12 evaluation process should get completed by July such that by August the new session can be started, and this will result in a smooth transition of higher education for all students, be it for school as well as higher education institutes. They have suggested a measure. They have asked to set up a review committee to be headed by the principal, and there will be faculties or teachers from the school level as well as two external experts, and this group of people who are going to decide with respect to the marks allocation to the students, which will be unbiased and relevant sync of previous historical performance of the student in the school to be taken into consideration before deciding and marking the candidate. So this was an important information that the Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry have asked for cancellation of Class 12 board examination. Secondly, the Supreme Court has given time till Thursday to the center to decide on Class 12 board examination. The bench, which is headed by A.M. Khanwilkar and Dinesh Maheshwari, has clearly said and asked the union government and its authorities that previously they have taken a decision last year to cancel the board examination. So it was said that previous year of not holding the examination, then they must come up with a good reason as to satisfy the court why they want to take the examination this time around. The petitioner Mamata Sharma argued the last year policy should be followed, saying that the situation is worst in the second phase, and she has pleaded the court to give direction to the board as well as to the center to go for a separate methodology by which the results can be taken out. Please note that the court may exercise the power of Article 142 of the Constitution to direct the board, both CBSE and ICSE, to implement a methodology adopted for Class 10 to declare even Class 12 results after cancelling the examination. So this is an important information that the Supreme Court has directed the center to decide within Thursday and come up with a decision. However, as per report, the government is likely to take a final decision within the next 2 days. It is anticipated the government is expected to make a final call by 3rd of June relating to the Class 12 board examination. As per reports, it can be taken into consideration that Class 12 board examination will be cancelled. It will be difficult for the government as well as for the board, CBSE and ICSE, to conduct the Class 12 board examination when there is so much of protest from both students, parents and various academic and non-academic bodies requesting the center and the government to take a final decision with respect to the Class 12 board examination and most importantly, cancellation of the same. This was an important information which I felt like sharing with you all. Moreover, any videos relating to education, information and other news, you will get updated information from this channel. So would request viewers to be associated with this channel Till then, thank you. Take care.